Lewis! 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 Mom! 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 Mommy! 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 Mama! 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 Ma! 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 Mom! 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 Mommy! Mommy! Mama! Mama! Mama!
What?
Hi.
Let me get in that belly. Let me I'm gonna give you a blubber belly. Pork belly's the way.
Oh my God!
Allahu Akbar!
There's a lot of crazy things I'll let Peter get away with. I even held my tongue when he went through that anime phase.
Hey, Lois, me make drive time to a super fun clam with Noble Quagmire and Wheel Monster Joe. Go Force!
We now return to
Mama, may I have cookie?
No, Diabito. Roll back to kitchen.
Oh.
Hey, how'd you sleep, Peter? Brian, last night I had this crazy dream I was eating a sheep and now my pillow's gone. Oh, wait, here it is. What the hell was I eating? Oh, sorry.
Hey, baby, do those legs go all the way up?
Why, yes, they do.
Ah! Oh my God, you're a monster!
Come back! My legs are shaved like a little girl.
Doggy.
Ow.
Doggy.
Ow.
Doggy.
Too hard.
I like doggy.
Too hard.
Doggy.
Gonna bite.
Doggy.
Gonna bite.
Doggy.
Oh, jeez. Hey.
Hello? What? Who's there? What's going on?
Whatever's happening here, just knock it off.
The plot is quite good.
It is quite good.
Indeed.
Most certainly.
What year is it? 51.
Ah,
Delectable.
indeed.
Yes.
Oh, dear. What is it?
I've spontaneously combusted. I am sorry.
Oh, it's quite all right. I've grown tired of living.
Ah, very good then. For the best.
Yes, indeed.
Is it raining again? She's so cute. I love children. Look at my kids.
I love chocolate. But I can't eat it because then I'll get fat. But it's so good.
Which of these leading brands of canned soup has less than 100 grams of sodium? Keep it going. Not that one. Not that one either. Nope, not that one. Not that one either. Nope, not that one. Keep going. Keep going. Not that one. Not that product. Not that one either. Not that product. Nope, not that one.
Look, this isn't even for me. It's for my homosexual lover.
The Bible's pretty clear about that.
Oops.
Ah, broke a damn blood vessel.
Nope. Sorry, Kevin Bacon wasn't in Footloose.
What? Of course he was.
No, he wasn't. You lose.
Of course he was. He was the star.
Nope, you're wrong. Look it up.
I don't have to look it up. It's common knowledge. He was on the cover of People magazine when the movie came. Everyone knows Kevin Bacon was a star of Footloose. It was a huge movie. He was the lead.
No.
I'm going to ask you this only once. Do you, or do you not, know about the bird?
Oh, God.
Because everybody's heard that the bird is the word.
The bird is the winner. Well, the bird is the winner. Well, the bird